Okay, so welcome to Apollo X64, and this is our first video on our channel. And you must have seen the title. So basically, we are just revisiting Windows XP, and it's my favorite. Personally, it's my favorite operating system because I had a lot of memories with it. And let's just get into the setup. I'm just gonna get the product key. Um, I think it's working. Yes, it's working. So this is our basically our Windows XP, and it's Windows XP first came out in 2001. I mean, it's been a long time, and it went out of service officially in 2014. I mean, I basically used it for almost I mean, I was born in 2004, and I've been using computers since 2007. So basically, it's been around some 13 to 14 years since I've been using Windows XP. I'm really bad at that. Okay, so Windows XP, so it played a really great part in shaping the world. I mean, pretty much all the bank systems, and even today, even my college library system works on Windows XP. I mean, it's that influential because it just worked. No bloatware, no Microsoft Copilot, no spyware, no Microsoft Defender. You just had your basic operating system, a bunch of software, and that's it. No more bloatware, nowhere, nothing. And that's the good part of the XP. But I think personally, being a old PC guy, I think it had its issues. Basically, we were basically told to refresh the PC many times. We have to refresh the PC many times in order to keep it stable, and that's very inconvenient back then. It was really inconvenient. But thanks to Windows now, we don't have to do it anymore. And Windows XP required a lot of maintenance. You had to constantly do backups, and it almost felt unstable, but it played a really important role in the Windows ecosystem. And now it still has a lot of impact on the current Windows operating system. And I think we're almost done with it. Okay, so we're finally back, and it's finally installed. This is giving me a lot of nostalgia. And there we go. Okay. It still has something to do. I'm just waiting for that start screen sound. It's been a while. I mean, the last time I used Windows XP, after they stopped the support Windows XP, my grandfather's oh, it's finally here. God damn it! Wow, never gets old. These are boxes, like dialog boxes. They never get old. Damn, they just keep coming. I mean, when you use the XP, there always gives me some kind of error message every time I open the PC. Okay. Wow, this is really great. That's really like pouring a bucket of nostalgia on my face. I mean, it's really. Let's take this too. Okay.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. Best for business. Windows XP Professional shines as a business operating system. Get more work done faster, easier, anytime, anywhere. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun.
I guess I'll just
Unlock the world of digital. To begin the tour, click any.
I mean, I'm definitely sure that Windows 11 doesn't have anything like this, like a tour. Okay, so let's go. I mean, look at this design. I mean, this user interface. I mean, it looks so friendly. That's what I liked about XP. I mean, wait, we're forgetting something. That's the Bliss wallpaper. Wait, I need the Bliss wallpaper. Where is it? Where's Bliss? Yeah, there it is. And there we go. Classic Windows XP experience. I'm pretty sure that Windows XP came with some games. I mean, this Windows XP. Damn, this gives me a lot of nostalgia. I feel really nostalgic right now. Damn. I mean, I always use Windows VLC. I mean, I never bothered to use Windows Media Player. Not much. Okay. So what else do we have? Wow. Okay, so we have something resell, parts, internet backgammon, checkers, parts, reverse here. I haven't seen this. I mean, I've played everything else, but I haven't played the reverse here. Let's check it out. Because there won't be any servers. Wait, where's okay. I totally forgot that we have to use this my network to connect to internet. And where's my network? Wait, there's no such. Okay. My network. Okay. Okay, so this. Oh my, I haven't noticed this here. We basically have a companion too. Okay, let me try connecting to the internet. Okay. When back then you really had to go through a lot of stuff to get connected to the internet. I mean, my grandfather's PC it was connected through LAN, so we had a Wi-Fi router at home and just worked fine. But I mean, then there came some broadband, like those USB broadband things, and those really improved the connection. I mean, back then we all used Internet Explorer. I mean, where's this Internet Explorer? Here it is. The old slower than a snail thing. I mean, it's really slow. Used to be really slow. And it's obvious that nothing runs. I haven't noticed this Windows XP logo before. Okay, let's see. So this is Internet Explorer 6 based on Mosaic. I mean, I never really used Internet Explorer that much. I mean, I used Windows Internet Explorer until 2009, and then Chrome came, and I just switched to Chrome. I never bothered to use Windows Internet Explorer again. And we have this Windows Messenger. I've never used this. I mean, okay, what else do we have? What did I just open? Okay, Windows Movie Maker. I think I used this before. Oh my! I think I used this before. I think I made some kind of. I don't remember. I just made some sample video and I just never used it again. And then we have Outlook Express, Windows Media Player, Startup. What do we have in accessories? Command prompt. Nothing much changed. I mean, if we compare command prompt of Windows XP and Windows 10, I think not much changed. I mean, it's same the black screen. And it definitely feels weird to use this. Okay, let's try some games. I remember playing pinball a lot. I mean, pinball used to be great. Waiting the part. Okay, I remember I had to press something. Okay, what did I press? Um, let's okay, I don't remember. How do I reply, man? How do I call it? I'm just gonna close this. Let's try some other game. Minesweeper. I never understood this game. I mean, I really don't know how to play it. Okay. Oh. And there you go. Lost. If I recall correctly, there must be some music as well. Oops, there's nothing. I mean, Windows 7 did come with some pre-built music. Okay, let's check my documents if there's something. It's blank. God damn it. In my pictures, sample pictures. Okay. Okay, I remember these ones. Yes, these are some cool pics. Okay. And what else? OG control panel. I mean, I pretty much can't connect to the internet as of now. Let's try connecting. Okay. It's definitely not reading my Wi-Fi drivers, I guess. So I guess I'll just leave it. Player Minesweeper checked out Windows Machine, and what else do we have? I mean, is there some office software in this? Oh, Paint. I miss this a lot. I mean, I used to spend back in some 2011 just drawing random stuff in Microsoft Paint. It's just awesome, man. I mean, the Paint in Windows 11 really sucks. I mean, it barely works. Windows 7 had the best Paint software, in my opinion. Wow, it's pretty. I remember making some kind of painting using this spray. Let's try something. Maybe let's try some flower fill. So there goes yellow flowers, and then the red. I don't know what the hell I'm painting. And sky blue. Yeah, there we go. This is my really great, awesome painting. And that's it, I guess. Special mention recycle bin. And that's it, I guess. I think that's it for the video. I mean, I actually had a lot of nostalgia with this thing. I mean, I've had a lot of memories with Windows XP. It's a really good operating system, but unfortunately, it's dead right now, and we cannot revive it at any cost. It still finds its use in some old defense or special mention my college library. I mean, my college library still uses Windows XP. I really don't know why, but it just works. And that's it. Thanks for watching.